Oh my, welcome to Isaac Vlogs. Today we have a big gigantic RC Mega-Wrex monster truck. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, what? I ripped it open somehow. Oh, look, there's food for me. Look at this, it bends.
Wow, this is awesome. So this is a huge Mega-Wrex monster truck. We're gonna go play with it. It says it's all-terrain, Hudson. Do you know what it means? Do you know what all-terrain means? It means we're gonna take it to the backyard. We're gonna play with it. Sand, maybe, on some hills. We're gonna go around and see what it can do. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Hey there, Mega-Wrex. You wanna race us?
Yeah.
Well, I think you're too small to race us. Yeah, way too small. You're not fast enough.
I know I'm small, but I know I have someone special that's super big.
Oh my goodness, what's going on here?
This is my friend, Mega-Wrex.
Get me out of here, Rhinomite. No! Whoa! Oh no! Oh my goodness, no! Hudson, are you ready to play with the Mega-Wrex RC car?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's do it. Boom!
This is a cool toy. I think we need a bigger sandbox.
I think we do.
Now this is sandbox.
You're putting sand on him? Okay. Oh, he got out! Now this thing has springs and awesome suspension. Wow. Wow.
Let's play with the flower.
Oh no, he got stuck. Let's go. I guess. Hudson, do you like the Mega-Wrex?
Yeah,
It goes on everything. We've seen it go on mud. We've seen it go on rocks, big rocks, sand, everything. Hey Hudson, what are we doing now? We're gonna push it down the slide. What? Go, push it down the slide. There he is. Whoa! Hey, what are we doing right now, Hudson? Whoa! Okay, you ready? Let's do it. One. Ball! All right, Hudson, let's try some mud here. Can it get across the mud? Let's go. Well, this thing is absolutely amazing. You know, it's all terrain. I think it's the coolest Hot Wheels monster truck they've done. Me and Hudson love it. We took it in every kind of scenario, mud, sand, you know, dirt. We raced it around down hills. It crashes, it climbs over big rocks. I mean, this thing is just so sweet and it's so cool and it's so fun and we love it. We had lots of fun playing with it.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow.